Just back from vacation and it's my first sneeze. That maybe was it. It's finished. Oh. Oh dear. I'm getting low battery mode. So I need to quickly find my outliner. My charger for low battery. I can get the right end. That's not working. The power back's not working. Well, hope it's working. Oh dear. It's now the 19th of August. It's look at my hair. It's 4:10 in the morning, and the reason is, well, there's a camera. The reason is my brother is on holiday with his wife and 3 daughters. And his drinking partner left last night, so he has nobody to talk to, he says. He's sitting there with his wife and 3 daughters. So he's actually sitting there with 3 girls. And he doesn't have no one to talk to. Poor bugger. So anyway, I think I've shimmied him off the bed. Oh god, I'm gonna be tired in the morning. Look at me now, I'm tired now. Oh well. Anything for family, eh? And look, I've stopped sneezing because I'm talking. Night all, love you all. And it's now Saturday. Well, it's actually Sunday. 10:04 in the morning. And I've got to be up in 3 hours with the dogs. Oh well. Bye. God, I forgot to record. I thought I was recording, I wasn't. Oh. What I'm going to start doing from now on is, if I do manage to record any videos over the week, collect them all together and make just one video at the end of the week. Then I have less editing to do. Oh, it's painful. Still don't know what to look on this video. Oh, where's the camera on there? There's the camera there, should be looking down there. Anyway, I think it's finished. Bye all.